guys, welcome back to PWS for Nerds. In the last video, we talked about the importance of inventories and what it looks like sharing and copying over inventories. So on this one, I want to be more specific about fixture types within inventories. So fixture types are anything that have DMX or wattage, weight, all of that, all of those parameters are all stored within the fixture type. So let's take a look in here. So this is what all the different fixture types that are in the starter inventory look like. And there's a pretty healthy amount of fixtures and fixture types in here, as you can see. So we'll scroll back up to the top and take a look at, every part of it. So name of the light, wattage, voltage, weight if you have the weight for it, what type of lamp or if it's an LED, and then connectors. So all that is all thrown in here. Then we've got aliases over here. This is different things that it can be called and referenced to. A lot of that is just really based in like Vectorworks plugins, or if people are typing it into the equipment sheet without using the proper name. If you get pretty close to it, it'll be like, hey, did you mean this one? So that's what the aliases do here. DMX mode. So if you have different DMX modes for it, this is where you can kind of either edit or change modes or change names of modes if you call it something else. DMX layout. So this is for a later edition, which is pretty cool, but it's not fully implemented yet. And then notes. So notes could be anything specific about the fixture, like, hey, clamps can only go one way with this fixture, that kind of stuff. Anything that like you need to have anything extra that you don't really know where else to put that information in, it kind of goes right here. So how do we add a fixture? If there's a fixture that you want to have that isn't already built in here, how do you add one? Well, it'll be this button right here, add new fixture type. So for this one, we'll create a new inventory item. We'll call it just spot. DMX footprint, let's say 25 channels and mode. If you have, the wattage, the voltage, all that stuff, you can put it in here. Helps out for circuiting. So on this one, let's say it's a 500 watt fixture and it can take 100 to 208. Lamp type, we'll say it's an LED, and connector, true one. Boom. Generic spot created successfully. Perfect. And then now it will pop up in here. Probably alphabetical order somewhere. Generic, it might be all the way at the bottom. I think if I were to refresh the page, it'll go back into there. And yep, goes in right there. So yeah, there we go. And all that information. So watts, 500 volts, 100 to 208, LED, true one, all that information is saved there. And then if we go into DMX modes, that first mode that we put in is still saved here. Say we want to add another mode though. You can just add in, an extended. Say the extended is, 40 channels now. Boom, and it gets added there. Easy and simple as that.